What's up, guys? Welcome back. Joshua Cousins here. Pretty simple topic today, but we're going to be installing a registration sticker on an OHV dirt bike. Handy little tool is these Lightspeed fork covers. You put your registration sticker on them. This one I've peeled off already. It's ready to go. And again, this is the Lightspeed model. You're going to want to install this on the left-hand fork side. So the first thing you're going to do is kind of eyeball your sticker. For the Lightspeed, it's kind of a horizontal orientation, but typically you would install them like this. It's cutting it a little close on the Lightspeed. You can see there's the fitment on the E-line. And that's Lightspeed sideways, and that's Lightspeed horizontal, which is the way I'm running it. It also makes it a little easier to install. I've peeled back the backing to the sticker about 1 centimeter, starting on the short edge. And if this little guy is getting in the way, you can crease this with your fingernail a little bit to help that backing to lay flat as you're lining up your sticker. Just be careful that you don't accidentally stick the sticker down, because you won't be able to pull it back up without risking tearing the void. It's really important to get these stickers down in the right spot. So here's the trick. You start off like this. You get it lined up where you want it. You make sure it's square along the edges, and you start it off like that by just sticking that edge on. Now you're going to flip it over, and if you're doing this on your fork, you're just going to do it the same way. You're going to stick the sticker directly on your fork. You'll be doing it along this long edge instead of on the short edge. That's the typical fashion. So now I'm just going to work the sticker with my finger back and forth as the backing. So I've peeled the backing back a little, and now the backing is coming off of the sticker. So as I work my finger across this edge where the sticker's going down, I'm making sure there's no bubbles as I get my sticker right where I want it. Almost there. Just take your time. Just go back and forth. You can do 2 fingers if you want to go outwards. I like going from side to side. I feel that it eliminates the chance of bubbling. And then you just want to work that and let that fall off on its own. I pulled it off, but it was okay. Either way, it's up to you. So then what we're left with is a perfect install with no bubbles behind it. Now, it's a little more tricky to do on the forks because you're crouching over, and the forks are tapered. Generally, the forks are tapered where the sticker is going to go on. This way you don't have to put it on something that's tapered. It's definitely harder to get it to be flat on that tapered surface, so just take your time if you are putting it directly on your fork. I strongly recommend using these. They're about 20 bucks, so it depends on if it's worth it to you. But you pop it on there like that, you're ready to go. You can kind of twist it to your likings. It also makes it easier when you're removing your forks. If you need to service them, your sticker's not going to get scratched up coming out of the fork tubes there. And if you need to send them off to somewhere, you can just keep your sticker with you. So that's how you install an off-road sticker on your dirt bike. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
That's a good sign. Started on the first kick.
Mm-hmm.